अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
High plank and you do the punches. Alright, punches in the front. Alright, punch like this, count for yourself and punches, punches, and punches. Don't higher, push, push, awesome, higher, push, 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 power, 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 hit it harder, 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 awesome, awesome, that's the power I want, awesome, awesome, count for yourself, where are you?
25.
Awesome, 25, she's a strong girl, put your butt down, put your butt down, awesome, awesome, this is a fantastic move to work on your full body, I guess. Superman flap. Alright, so let's do this and just flap. Alright, this way we are going to work on your glutes, your back, your abs, everything is working. Alright, flap, 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 chest up, chest up, chest up. This way, awesome, awesome. Count for yourself, count, go slow, count slowly. Count slowly. Don't. Just keep your legs straight. Don't bend it to the knees. Don't bend it from the knees. Keep your legs straight and flap. Flap, flap. Awesome, awesome. Keep going. I'll just show you quickly that how it has to be done. Right? So I'll show you the modifier first. So this is the modifier, and you touch down, touch your elbow down. This way you're really working on your core. Make it really intensify. Alright, let's start. Push, push, push. Count for yourself. Right, awesome. Go slow, go slow. Go slow, don't run. Awesome, awesome. Look at the form, look at this. The perfect straight line, and he's just twisting and touching his elbow down. And perfect form. इसे कहते हैं perfect form. So this is what you want to aim for, right? Keep going. So see, he is counting. Look at this. Look at the form. Look at the precision. I love this.
अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे फिट. सी यू सून.